Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Kids. Today we'll be checking out this magical oven by Play-Doh Kitchen Creations. Let's get everything out and then we'll begin. Okay, so here's the magical oven, and if you look closely, there's a bunch of different molds we can make. The top of the oven has a bunch of side dishes that we can create. We can use the front of the oven and the lever to create extra toppings. And we just pull this lever down to turn the oven on. Here's the oven door. Here are 4 of the 5 pretend food attachments. We get a roller. Here's a knife, fork, and spoon. Here's a plate, and we can use the bottom to stamp out more desserts.